children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So children, in the previous class we have learned what is a noun and a pronoun. So today's class we are going to learn the parts of speech, adjective, verb and adverb. So first of all, we'll discuss about what is an adjective. We'll discuss about what is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes about a noun or a pronoun. Okay children, what does it describe? It describes about a noun or a pronoun. Okay children, an adjective is a word that describes about a noun or a pronoun. Now we'll see the examples. First example is, he is a fast driver. He is a fast driver. So, what is he here in a sentence? He is a pronoun. He is a pronoun. Okay? He is the pronoun. And what he is doing? He is a driver. He is doing driver. Driver is a noun. Driver is a noun. Driver is a noun. Okay. How he is driving? He is a fast driver. He is a fast driver. Here fast is the pronoun is describing fast. Fast is the adjective. Okay children. See fast. He is a driver and he is driving very fastly. He is the pronoun. Driver is the noun. We already discussed adjective which describes about a noun or a pronoun. So here he is driving very fastly and it is described by the he. So he is the pronoun. Fast is the adjective. Okay, here adjective is describing the pronoun. Okay, we'll see the next example. My sister is a strong girl. My sister is a strong girl. Here, my sister is the noun. In this sentence, my sister is the noun. See, how is my sister? She is very strong. Strong is the adjective. Strong is the adjective. Who is strong here? My sister. Who is strong here? My sister. So, here strong adjective is describing noun. Here adjective is describing the noun. Okay children? Okay, we'll see the next example. Jack is an angry young man. Okay, Jack is an angry young man. Okay, what is Jack here? In this sentence, Jack is the noun. Name of your person, right? So Jack is the noun. What type of a boy he is? He is angry. He is angry. So angry is the adjective. Angry is the adjective. Who is angry here? Jack. So adjective is describing the noun. What type of Jack here? He is angry young man. He is an angry man. So angry is the adjective. Okay? Clear children? Once again look at the board. What is meant by adjective? Adjective is a word that describes about a noun or a pronoun. First example, he is a fast driver. He is a fast driver. He is the pronoun and fast is the adjective. Driver is the noun. Who is fast here? He is a fast driver. So fast here adjective. Adjective is describing about pronoun. Okay? My sister is a strong girl. Okay, first of all, we know my sister is the noun. So, what type of my sister? She is strong. She is strong. Adjective. So, adjective is again describing noun. I already told you it will describe noun or pronoun. In this sentence, adjective is describing about pronoun. In this sentence, adjective is describing noun. We will see the next example. Suppose Jack is an angry young man. Here Jack is a noun. Angry is the adjective. Why angry is adjective? Because what type of a Jack here? He is angry. Young man. So he is an angry young man. So angry is the adjective. Adjective is describing about noun. Here adjective is describing noun. Is it clear children? This is about adjective. Next we will see the next parts of speech, verb. Verb. Verb is an action or state of being in a sentence. Is an action, it tells about action of a sentence or state of being in a sentence. I'll give you an example. Children, you already know. Can you please tell me some of the action words that you are doing daily? Can you please tell me? Reading, writing, eating, sleeping, drinking, walking, talking, listening, etc. These all are action words. Just as what I am writing here, action words. Some of the action words I am writing: walking, drinking, sleeping, reading, etc. Okay children, now we will see the sentence example. How can we identify a verb in a sentence? Okay. Ram is going to the market. Now in this sentence we have to identify what is a, where is a verb. Okay, we'll see the verb. Before verb, can you please tell me, identify any parts of speech is here in this sentence? What is Ram here? Ram is the name of a person, so it is a noun. Okay, any other noun present in this sentence? Can you identify that? Yes, market. Market is a place, name of a place, so it is also a noun. Okay, now we are going to identify what is a verb. We already know verb is the action or state of being in a sentence. So any action word present in this sentence, children? Again I am reading the sentence, you listen carefully, then you can understand the verb. Ram is going to the market. Did you identify the verb? Yes, what it is? Going. Here what is the action word? Going. So going is the verb. Who is going to the market? Ram. What is Ram? It's a noun. Where he is going? He is going to the market. It's a name of a place. Again it is a noun. But you have to check where is the verb. Did you understand? One more example I will give you. Now you have to find out the verb. Okay? She is sleeping. Where is the action word? Can you please identify the verb in this sentence? Read the sentence at least 2 times. She is sleeping. She is sleeping. Did you identify the action word? Verb? Yes. Sleeping is the verb. Because it is an action, right? It is the verb. Any other parts of speech present in this sentence, children? Yes. She. What is she here? Is it noun? No. Then what it is? It is pronoun. It is pronoun. So we will discuss about verb, children. Verb is an action or state of being in a sentence. Okay? Example, walking, drinking, sleeping, etc. So example, Ram is going to the market. What is the action word? What is the verb present? Where is the verb present in this sentence? Going. Okay? She is sleeping. Where is the action word? Where is the verb? Sleeping. So this is all about verb. Children, now I will write some examples on the board. Then we will find what is an adjective and verb. Next sentence. See children, now we are going to find out adjective and verb in these sentences. First, I will read the sentence. He is an angry man. He is an angry man. So can you please find out in the first sentence adjective? Can you please tell me the adjective in the first sentence? It is angry. Angry is the adjective. Any other parts of speech is present in the first sentence, children? He. He is the pronoun. He is the pronoun. The next sentence, Kolkata is a large city. Kolkata is a large city. Can you please identify adjective in this sentence? Large. Large is the adjective. Children, are you able to understand and find out what is an adjective? How to find out an adjective in a sentence? Then you understand adjective and verb parts of speech. Next, Kolkata is the noun. Very good. Kolkata is the noun. Next, Ram kicks the football. Now, in this sentence, can you please identify verb? Again, read the sentence, children, carefully. Ram kicks the football. In this sentence, particularly, I am asking verb to find out verb. Kicks is the verb. Ram is the noun. Name of a person, right? Ram is the noun. Football also noun. Name of a thing. Okay, children? She is running in the ground. Now, in this sentence, can you please identify the verb? Where it is verb, children, in this sentence, can you please identify? She is running in the ground. So, I am writing running is the verb. Next, what is she here? She is the pronoun. She is the pronoun. So children, today we have learned about adjective and verb. Today we discussed about these two topics. Related to these two topics, I'll send you Google form. Please do your homework. Okay children? Now, we learn today's new word. What is today's new word, children? Tract. Tract meaning is an extended area of land. Extended. An extended area of land is called tract. Okay, one sentence I have written. I'll read. A vast tract of land is ready for development. A vast tract of land is ready for development. So only one sentence I have written. Please all of you write at least form 2 to 3 sentences on tract. Okay children, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.